Using the power of self-discipline effectively requires structure, consistency, and the right mindset. Here's a structured approach to help you develop and apply self-discipline in your life. Nujeranandras. 1. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve. Break down big goals into small, actionable steps. Write them down and set deadlines. 2. Develop a strong why. Understand the deeper reason behind your goals. Remind yourself daily why discipline is necessary. Keep a vision board or affirmation list to stay motivated. 3. Create a routine and stick to it. Develop a daily schedule that aligns with your goals. Set specific times for important tasks. Use planners or habit tracking apps to monitor progress. 4. Remove temptations and distractions. Identify things that cause procrastination: social media, TV, unnecessary notifications. Set up an environment that promotes focus and discipline. Use techniques like the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break. 5. Train your mindset. Practice delayed gratification, e.g., if you crave sweets, wait 10 minutes before giving in. Develop mental toughness by pushing through discomfort. Use positive affirmations and visualization techniques. 6. Strengthen willpower gradually. Start with small self-discipline exercises, e.g., making your bed every morning, sticking to a reading habit. Progressively challenge yourself with harder tasks. 7. Embrace discomfort and challenge. Understand that self-discipline means doing things even when you don't feel like it. Push through laziness and negative thoughts by focusing on long-term rewards. 8. Practice self-control in small decisions. Say no to small temptations: junk food, impulse spending, unnecessary socializing. Build mental resilience through mindfulness and meditation. 9. Reward yourself wisely. Celebrate small wins to keep yourself motivated. Use rewards as an incentive for maintaining discipline. Stay consistent and keep improving. Discipline is a muscle. Train it daily. Learn from failures and adjust your approach. Surround yourself with disciplined and goal-oriented people.